Hi writers, welcome back to Writers Workshop. Today we are going to learn that writers come up with ways to fix their problems and they carry on with their writing. So I know some friends in Writers Workshop, they think really hard, put all their ideas down as fast as they can, and then they say, I'm done, and they put their pencils down and they just sit there and they wait for their teacher to say that Writers Workshop is over. Writers, is that what we do in Writers Workshop? No, of course not. When we're done, we go back and we add more to our writing. Just like we say in Readers Workshop, when we are done, we have just begun. So let's think of some things we can do once we think we're done with our writing, because we can actually go back and add more. So here are some things that we can do. So when we are done, we have just begun. One thing you can do is you could start a new piece of your story. So maybe your page is so full and so many ideas are on there, you could add another page and write more up to your teaching book to teach your reader something else about your topic. You can also add to your words. So maybe you have started to label some of the pictures in your objects and you can go back and add more words that you haven't done already. You can also add to our pictures, which means that you can add more drawings and more ideas to your page that maybe you didn't think of the first time when you thought in your brain, and as you started writing, you thought of more you could add. You can also reread our writing, which means that you go back on your pages and you make sure that your writing makes sense. You didn't label a tree a bird or something super silly. You go back and reread it to make sure it makes sense. You can also meet with your partner. So maybe you can pull out your stuffy from Readers Workshop, or if mom or dad are available, you can maybe read them your story to show them your teaching book and see what they think about it. And I also know that sometimes in Writers Workshop, some of our friends, when they don't know maybe how to draw a picture or they don't know how to spell a word, you know what they do? They put their pencil down and they say, oh, teacher, I don't know how to do it. But guess what, writers? You figure out how to solve your problems. And our special friend Christine is going to come on and she's going to teach us how to solve our problems in Writers Workshop. So let's see what she has.
Hi, writers. Welcome back.
So good to be back with you. I've been thinking a lot about you, actually, because I know we got started off really well with our writing, making teaching books to share with others. And I started wondering, wonder if you're having any trouble or any problems. And maybe there's not a teacher near you or a grown-up or a family member who can help you. And then I remembered, you already know so much to keep yourselves going. And today I want to teach you that when writers get stuck or get into some kind of problem with their writing, they figure out a way to carry on and they solve their problems because there's so much work to do. And so I was thinking that I can show you a little bit about some of the problems that you might be facing, and we can think about how you can solve those. And I bet you're going to see that you already know ways to solve these problems. So here's my writing. Remember my piece about my dad's garden? Well, I drew and added to the pictures. I have some words. Oh, I have my name. Put my name on it. That's important. Oh, I don't know what to do. Forget it. I'm not sure. I'm just going to put it down and go get a snack or something. I can't do that, right? I need to solve my problem. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll just call my friend. Maybe she knows what I should do. Oh, I shouldn't do that either, right? Are you thinking of things I could do? Well, let me try to remember, because I know when we are done, we have just begun. Well, I did add to the pictures. I think I could add to the words because I only have 2 words here and my name. So I think I could write some words over here too. And I know for that, I could just, say the word, write down the sounds I hear, and just do the best that I can. Good. But what about after that? Then I'm supposed to start a new piece? I don't know what to do. I think I'll just be done with this one after I write words, and that's it. That can't be it, right? When we're done, we've just begun. What else can I do? What else? Well, I could think of something else I could make. What else could I teach about? What else do I know a lot about? So I'm going to look around. Just everything around me is ideas. I know a lot about glasses. I have to wear glasses to see. I could probably teach people about glasses. Maybe that will be my book. Or what else? Oh, I have these Japanese dolls. They're kind of cool. I could probably draw about them and teach people about them. Or, how I have to cook dinner later, and maybe I could teach people about cooking some kind of pasta dish. That's what I like to do. Oh, so glad I didn't just give up. So now I know I can add some words here. And then I'm ready to start a new one, thinking about the things that I could write about by looking around. So I'm telling you this because when you're writing, and if you get stuck, I want you to know that you can be a super writer. You can figure out those problems and solve them. Like, what if your pencil breaks or your pen runs out of ink? Should you just say, forget it, I'm going to go watch TV? No way. Get another pen. And what about if you're ready to start a new book and you don't have any paper? Find another piece of paper. You can figure it out. Yeah. Now, what if you're like, I'm getting all my books and paper and you don't know where to put them? Well, you want to think about that because you get to decide how are you going to collect all your writing. So maybe you want to find a folder and you can put your writing pieces in your folder like I just did. Put it right in the folder. And then maybe one thing you could do so that you're in charge of your work and you're pretty clear about which ones are done and which ones you're still going on to work on, you could take a green marker, because green means go, and you can make a big green circle here. So I know that I have to keep going on this piece because I got to add those words. But on the other side, I could put a red circle because red means stop. And then I'll know those are the ones I'm finished with. Do you see what we're doing? We're figuring out what to do with all our stuff, how to solve our problems so that you can be in charge of your writing and carry on writing more and more each day. And remember, check with your writing club at home. See if your family that's with you will do some writing too. And certainly you'll want to share what you've been writing with them. And then find a place to put your writing. Thank you. Have a great day.